Want to have some fun with Ken and Barbie? Try turning them into your favorite celebrities. Today, we're going to show you how to give Barbie the most fabulous celebrity makeovers. Don't forget to show us some love by subscribing. Nicki Minaj. If you love Nicki Minaj as much as we do, you're going to love this look. Cut the bottom off of a balloon and then cut slits in each side to make little shorts. Make a tube top with a white balloon. Cut a bunch of strands of yellow yarn evenly. Break a dowel in half and tie the yarn to it, like this. Now, time for a haircut, Barbie. Hot glue yellow cotton to her head. This takes a little finesse, but trust us when we say it's totally worth it. Got a yellow stuffed animal? Remove the fuzzy fabric and turn it into an awesome jacket. Just cut the pieces to look like this for the front and back of the jacket. Then sew them together inside out and flip the jacket right side out. Use more of the white balloon to give her a little choker necklace too. Now she's ready for the stage. Taylor Swift. Who knew balloons could work as Barbie clothes? Cut the ends off an orange balloon and put it on Barbie as a tube top. Make some shorts out of a pink balloon, same as before. If it doesn't fit quite right, just fold and tuck it in. Now let's make a skirt. Measure some pink fabric to Barbie's legs. Cut it out. Measure a thin strip of fabric around her waist, then gather and glue the skirt material to this strip. Fold it in every half inch. Fold it in every half inch to make pleats. Then glue them into place. Then hem the top of the shirt with a strip of hot glue. Use a ruler to press the glue until it dries. Glue a piece of Velcro to sides to fasten. Let's try it on. Cut the skirt up the middle to make it concert ready. Use a marker to paint on lipstick. Add a little eye makeup too. Isn't she gorgeous? Time for a photo shoot, Taylor. Katy Perry. First, we're gonna need hair chalk. Lots and lots of hair chalk. Cover Barbie's entire head with colorful chalk. Mix in some purple too. Once all her hair is covered, brush it out. Let's give her some bangs. Use hairspray to make her bangs stay in place. Brush the bangs down toward her face. Make a blunt cut to the rest of her hair with scissors. Make a few different color bows out of ribbon and cut the extra off of the ends. Find some cute accessories like these tiny toy donuts, pom-poms, and beads. Glue the accessories onto one of Barbie's dresses. Add some ribbons to the bottom of the dress to create a fringe look. Glue some lace across the top of the ribbons and add some bows and pom-poms to give her that Katy Perry vibe. Glue a gummy bear in the middle. Cut the cap ring off of a water bottle and decorate it with a jeweled heart. Now let's add a dramatic look to her makeup. Give her some hot pink blush too. California girls are truly unforgettable. Smile for the camera. Justin Bieber. Ken is going to get an awesome celeb makeover. First, cut out a stylish sweater with some gray fabric. Sew it together like this. Now cut a piece out in this shape for the hood. Pin it in place and then sew it to the collar. Sew the top pieces together to make the hood. Now print this label out on your printer. Glue it to the sweater using Mod Podge. Then paint over the label with Mod Podge to seal it in. Cut 2 pieces out of an old pair of jeans in this shape. Sew his pants together. Looking good so far! Now take a white sock and measure it up to Ken's body. Trace out a neckline and some arms. This sock is now a tank top. Let's get you dressed, Ken. Distress his jeans with cuticle scissors. Use a needle to pull the threads out. Justin Bieber is ready for action with his pal Nicki. How awesome are these two? Beyonce. This one is our absolute favorite. First, wrap Barbie's torso and hips in plastic wrap. Now paint the plastic wrap with Mod Podge. Once you've got the plastic completely covered, wrap it in tissue paper. Then paint the tissue paper with Mod Podge. Add another layer of tissue paper and paint another coat of Mod Podge. Now cut the back of the dress up the middle. Cut off the bottom and try the top on. Cut it to make a cute shape. Add some metallic ribbon for the straps. Now paint her top with yellow acrylic paint. By now, you already know how to make the shorts out of a balloon. Put the shorts on and paint them the same color as the top. Add glitter. Next, wrap sections of Barbie's hair in chenille stems. Once you've got her whole head wrapped, spray with water. And let the curlers set. Once the hair is dry, unwrap it. Look at those curls! Beyonce runs the world in this look. So fierce! Kim Kardashian. Cut a balloon to make a skin-tight dress like this. Kim is known for her curves, so let's use a pom-pom to enhance Barbie's body with that Kim Kardashian look. Add another balloon skirt to cover up the pom-poms and keep them in place. Cut out a balloon top and throw in some curve-enhancing pom-poms. Kim is ready for the paparazzi. Can you believe we made this look with nothing but balloons and pom-poms? Rihanna. For this look, trace out Barbie's body onto a piece of black fabric. Fold it over and pin. Then cut out the dress, making a neckline and straps for her shoulders. Then glue the sides together. Write Puma in white fabric paint across the chest. Add a white trim to the neckline and arms too. Trace Barbie's legs on a piece of construction paper. You're going to use this paper as a pattern for her socks. Trace the pattern onto a piece of fabric and cut it out. Use fabric markers to make lines on her socks and mark black lines on her shoes. Put on some shades, Rihanna. The spotlight is so bright. We love this look. Ariana Grande. You know those cute little baby doll dresses that Ariana Grande wears? Well, we're going to show you how to make one for Barbie. Check it out. Use your construction paper pattern and cut out some socks from a piece of gray fabric. Sew the seams together with the sock inside out. Then use a stick to push the sock right side out again. Fold the top of the sock down to make a cute little cuff. Use hot glue on the bottoms to turn these socks into high-heeled boots. Paint the heels with glitter nail polish to give her that rock star vibe. Now for the dress. Attach a piece of fabric to some ribbon. Make little pleats like you did before with Taylor Swift's skirt. Add Velcro to the ends of the ribbon. Now find a Barbie with super long hair. Pull most of it up into a high ponytail. Divide the remaining strand of hair into 2 sections. Cross them in the back and then wrap them around the ponytail. Keep wrapping until you only have enough hair left to tie it in the back. Spray the ends with hairspray and stick them to the bottom of her head. Use a fabric marker to add some color to her hair. And touch up her makeup for the stage. Make her eyes brown too. Now Ariana is ready for her concert. Isn't she adorable? This next look is totally epic. You'll need a hot glue gun, scissors, a box, 4 cylindrical sponges, a piece of white foam, some cotton pads, a Ken doll, and an ugly brown pillow. Cut the sides of the pillow. We're gonna turn this fabric into an outfit. Grab your glue gun and your box. Glue the edge of the box to make sure it stays sealed properly. Now glue your piece of white foam to the top. Grab your sponges. Glue them to the sides of the box just under the foam. Make sure it's nice and tight. Now cover the whole thing with your brown pillow fabric. Cut off any excess fabric and then glue the edges together. Push with your finger to seal it up tight. Then trace the box out onto the brown fabric. These will become your sleeves. Glue the seams together. Grab your Ken doll and tell him to get ready to look super stylish. Turn your outfit inside out and use an X-Acto knife to cut out a hole for the head. Slip it on, then glue on some shoulder pads. Glue the fabric to a cylindrical sponge and cut away any excess fabric. These will be his pant legs. Slide them onto Ken's legs. Trim the excess fabric, and boom! Now grab a stack of cotton pads, about ½ an inch thick. Cut 2 straight lines on either sides of the pads. Hot glue the edges together. Just glue them right to his foot. He doesn't mind at all. And your celebrity makeover is complete. All that's missing is a savage gold chain and of course Kim. I think we can all agree Kanye is going to look awesome as he's walking the red carpet with Kim Kardashian. Looking good, Kanye. But we're pretty sure you already knew that. We hope you had as much fun as we did with these celebrity looks. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crafty hacks and ideas. See you later.